How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the All Things Boost YouTube channel. So if everyone had a happy new year, we're waiting on axle parts to show up for the GT500. So in the meantime, my wife got me this pretty cool little Christmas gift. It's just a model GT350 from back in the day, 1967. I don't know much about them, but went ahead and put together a little time lapse of putting it together. The thing was way more complex than I thought it was going to be. It also, if you can go as in depth as you want, you can do paint and all this other stuff. Decided not to go that in depth, but hope you enjoy the time lapse. Want to wish you a happy new year now that it's over with, back in 2025, and also get after some good stuff. But for the GT500, the ring and pinion came in, new set of 373s. We got a new bearings and all that stuff coming in. Waiting on the differential and axle kit to show up. So whenever those show up, that'll be the next thing. They're ordered, just whenever they get here, they get here. So in the meantime, I want to wish you guys a happy new year, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Just do a couple pictures, and that'll be that.